In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use DGET function in Microsoft Excel. The DGET function is useful when you want to pull a single value from a database style table based on a specific condition. It works best when your data is organized clearly with column headers and when your criteria match only one record. To begin, create your table in Excel. Make sure your data is arranged like a small database with headers across the top row and records listed underneath. For example, you might have columns such as product ID, product name, and price. This structure is important because DGET relies on those headers to know where to search and what value to return. Next, create the criteria range. This is a small area elsewhere on the sheet where you'll place the condition Excel should use to find the record. The criteria range should include a heading in the first cell and the matching value directly below it. This tells Excel exactly what to look for in the database. A very important detail here is that the criteria heading must be exactly the same as the heading in your original table. In this example, if the database column is labeled Product ID, then the criteria heading must also be Product ID, spelled the same way and with the same spacing. If the header does not match exactly, the formula may not work correctly. Once your table and criteria range are ready, you can enter the DGET formula. Select cell F2, then type this formula, equals DGET open, parenthesis, A1 colon C6 comma, quotation mark, price quotation mark, comma, E1 colon E2 close parenthesis, then press enter. Excel will return the result. 22,000. What this means is that Excel searched the database range from A1 to C6, looked for the row that matches the criteria in cells E1 to E2, and then returned the value from the price column for that matching record. It's also important to understand how DGET behaves in different situations. DGET is designed to return only one matching record. If more than one record matches the criteria, Excel returns a number error. If no record matches the criteria at all, Excel returns a value error. So when using DGET, make sure your criteria are specific enough to identify exactly one row. As a final tip, always double check your headers, your criteria range, and the field name inside the formula. Small typing differences can cause errors even when the data looks correct. And that's how to use the DGET function in Microsoft Excel.